back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's show is about my brand new wok. And if anybody's ordered one of these, you know they're expensive and you want to take care of it. So I'm really excited. I'm going to use it today and make an Asian dinner. And I have the tools to go with it. You want to use plastic when you have a Teflon one. So I have the plastic whisk and I have the plastic shovel. I kid and I say that it looks similar to the one that you would use on the fireplace. If this was not Teflon, I would use this steel one. But I think I'm going to opt for the plastic tools that I bought. Now, the first time you use this, you have to season it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it on the burner and I'm going to fire up the burner to get it hot. Just like that. And then while that's getting hot, I'm going to cut up some ingredients. And to cut up the ingredients, the first thing I'm going to do is an onion. So you've seen me cut it before, where I cut in the center of the onion. Today, I'm going to cut on the end of an onion, just like that. And of course, if I was going to be making hamburgers, I would maybe go a little bit thicker, but I would cut the ring like this. So this is going to be for an Asian dinner. So I want to get rid of the canopy. Nice and slow here. And I'm using a small onion because I don't want a lot of onions. So I'm using a scallion. So here we go. I've cut like this at an angle. Now I'm just going to cut down here about 1/4 of an inch. I'm trying to hold on carefully and look where I'm cutting. Nice and slow here. Cutting in here nice and slow and deliberate. And then I can cut down, come in about 1/4, 3/8. You don't want these too small, because if they're too small, then they'll burn. So those will come out like that. You can also go back and you can square them. And this would probably be easier for you to see if I was on a larger onion. But because I just want a little bit for this meal, this is it. I have my brand new wok and I'm going to season it. So, I need oil. A couple of turns of the pan. I'm going to pull it off the burner because with a wok you get it hot first and then you add the ingredients. Now this is going to be a little smoky, so I have the patio door open and I have the window open. This is my first time seasoning it. So I'm going to put it on here and let it get nice and hot. Now I'm going to add my onions and then some garlic. Let those go for a few minutes. Here's some garlic. Just like this. There we go. Get the paper off it really quick. Now I don't want these too small because I don't want them to burn. So I just cut them like that. There we go. Now the onions help to move the oil around. If you just put oil in here and you try to do this without putting some garlic and onions in here the first time, you wouldn't get it seasoned as well. So they were cooking fast because this little rascal by design gets hot. but I'm getting it all seasoned really, really, really nice. So here we go. I'm just kind of moving it around in here. So I season the pan. You know, with a wok, you cook on the outside, you don't cook in the center. Keep your food on the outside, don't let it get in the center, because the center is going to be hot, you don't want to overcook it. There we go. Bowl as well. Now, that's the show for the day. Thanks for watching.